If you suspect the water around your water heater is due to a leak or malfunction, there are a few easy things you can do to save your property from damage. First, locate and shut off the water valve directly above the water heater. If you can't locate the water heater main water valve, turn off the water to the entire home. This will eliminate any additional water from entering the unit. Second, for safety reasons, shut off the gas valve to the water heater. Third, to limit further water damage to your home, connect a garden hose to the drain valve at the bottom of the water heater. Run the hose to the nearest floor drain and open the valve. Next, open the hot side of the laundry tub faucet. This will completely empty the tank and reduce further damage to your home. The reason for the leak can range from a faulty temperature and pressure relief valve to a corroded tank.